we participate actively and take a united stand in influencing government policies affecting the Philippine
data needed in educational planning. Then the second is collection of statistical data, and the last is data processing, storage, and retrieval. Education planning division states the main purpose of educational statistics may be summarized as follows. Power planning. Manpower data that are needed in educational planning include economically active population distributed by age, sex, and educational attainment. Then, economic data as to the economic data needed, the gross national product.
Case study. A case study is detailed study of a specific subject such as person, group, place, event, organization, or phenomenon.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know, night after night, I'll be loving you for 7 days a week. You love when I jump right in.